How to join WhatsApp group with link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can join WhatsApp group with a link. So before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release a new video. Now let's begin. So to join a WhatsApp group with a link, first you will need to have a link. So if someone from the group member has sent you a link to join the group, what you'll need to do is simply find the link first. And after you find the link, simply tap on the link. After you tap on the link, your WhatsApp will automatically open up. And after it opens up, it will take you to this group automatically. And yeah, it's that simple. Now you have joined this WhatsApp group via that link. And yeah, that is all for the video, guys. That is how you can join a WhatsApp group with link. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.